This is the process of how I overhauled my simple arcade game, part 2. So I wanted to make an intro scene for when the game was open, so first I created a script. Next, I used a Unity namespace for scene management and for video. After that, I created a string so I can load the next scene just by the name. Then I made sure to set the cursor to locked and invisible, and set the loop point reached of the video player. Next is a function called videoOver, which holds the next scene. And finally, a public void to load the next scene. This is called from videoOver, which is called after the loop point is reached in the video player. Now, back in Unity, I put in the scene name, which is main menu, and then added a video player component, and drug my video in there. And there you go. Now the scene loads the video on start, and then once it finishes playing, it loads the main menu scene.